Buddy, okay? Hi, Klondike. Hi, Klondike. Well, the 4-rail fence is now a 2-rail fence. So I don't know exactly what that means in terms of inches, but we're getting up there. Evie has more trouble negotiating, of course. Evie, where are you going? Don't chase the birds. Don't chase the birds, Evie. Hey, Klondike. You doing okay, Klondike? Still standing guard? Okay, Evie? You just standing guard, Klondike? You've been out here for too long, Klondike. Been out here a long time. It's time to come inside, maybe, huh? It's time to come inside. Evie, what you doing? Come on, Evie. Klondike? You want a snack? You want a snack? Okay, Klondike. Tell you what. Can I convince you to come inside? Can I convince you to come inside for once? You want a snack, Klondike? Okay. Get a snack. Let's get a snack. Oh, God, it's like 3 feet here. Okay.